Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Education Source database through the University of South Florida Libraries. My name is Christina Seiden. This tutorial is based on a reference inquiry by a USF education student who asked how to find an academic article about makerspaces in elementary schools. Once you're on the University of South Florida Libraries homepage, make sure that you are logged in using your USF credentials. You can check on the top right-hand corner of the website. Then, on the left-hand side in the middle of the page, click on Databases. Since this inquiry was from an education student, we are going to click on Education Source. Once you're on the Education Source database search page, click on the top search bar and enter the keywords Makerspaces in Elementary Schools. And then click Search. As you can see, there are 11 search results. Since the inquiry asks for an academic paper, we can further filter the results. To do this, scroll down, and on the left-hand side, click on Academic Journals. Once you scroll back up to the top, you can see that there are now only 8 search results. Once you decide on an article to look at, click the article title. In this case, I will click on Making the Most of a Makerspace. You will be redirected to the detailed record of the chosen article. On this page, you can see information such as authors, source, document type, and subjects. If you scroll down, you can see the abstract. In this case, if you scroll down further, you can see a plain text version of the article. You can listen to the article being read, as well as change some of the accessibility settings. If you would like to see the article in a PDF of its original format, scroll back up and click on PDF full text on the left-hand side. You can read the article in its entirety here. In this case, you can also download or print the article. If you would like to cite this source, you will click on the yellow piece of paper on the right-hand side. You can then see the different citation formats available. If you scroll down, you can see APA 7th edition. If you click on the yellow piece of paper again, it will hide the citation references. This concludes the video tutorial for how to use the Education Source database through the University of South Florida Libraries. Have a wonderful day researching!